Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical assets, systems, or processes used to simulate, predict, and optimize performance. ABB employs digital twins within its asset performance management models to boost asset reliability, efficiency, and decision-making. These digital twins integrate real-time data from sensors to create dynamic models, allowing for continuous monitoring and analysis. Advanced analytics and AI enable them to predict potential issues, simulate various scenarios, and optimize operations and maintenance. Model Predict and Control further enhances their capability by simulating asset behavior for precise control. The benefits of including enhanced reliability through proactive maintenance, improved performance, reduced maintenance and energy costs, and better decision-making through actionable insights and scenario planning. Additionally, ABB's digital twin offers scalability through cloud connectivity and seamless integration with existing systems, making them a powerful tool for optimizing asset performance and supporting sustainability goals.